Hi, it's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. How are we doing? You join me obviously in a rather different setting today, but this was just a follow-on really to the unboxing video I did around the Trust Arys soundbar. I obviously unboxed it. I didn't demonstrate it. I said I was going to test it out and check it out and let you guys know. So it's a follow-on to that really. So I'll keep this super short. I think this is literally going to be a hashtag shorts video. But yeah, I've got the Trust soundbar in place. Behind me, what I've got here is a small media center PC I put together with some spares I had at the office, some old bits of kit. And one of the items I used was that Trust soundbar to power this. So we use it predominantly for watching movies and for a small room to power a small screen. The sound output from it is honestly superb for a device which is, I think it was about £25. If you go back and watch the unboxing video, I'll clarify it in that. But yeah, it was about £25. And so I'll give you a very quick demo of the soundbar quality now. You can just about see the soundbar there. Look behind me there. See the blue dot on it? So I'll put it on now. Obviously, I'm completely aware that the sound quality you will hear will be subject to the device I'm recording this on and your own speakers and all of that. But I just wanted to give you guys a bit of a demo as to what it was like. So let me just see if I can quickly do this. So hopefully that's now being picked up. So yeah, you can see the soundbar there. Look, it's just behind the screen. Look, and it's just powering this little media center PC. So I'm just playing some straightforward music out. It's on about very low volume, and this type of music might not be your cup of tea, but this type of music does demonstrate bass and treble quite well. So it's good for gauging sound quality, and hopefully you can gauge from that the sound quality for a budget device is truly amazing. It will happily power a media center PC like this, no problem at all. Like I stressed on the other unboxing video though, this isn't for like, you know, your main living room screen TV or anything like that. It's not for anything like that. So yeah, but overall, it's a really good product. The sound quality is superb. So feel free to check this out. I'm going to bring this hashtag shorts video to a close now. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Please do smash the like button for me. Really helps grow the channel. Feel free to comment on the video. And as ever, use the links below to connect with me on LinkedIn, Twitter and Instagram. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.